Okay guys, the box is finally done here. I had lots of fun making this. This was my first time building this. This was actually a gift from my dad. Now, one thing I want to mention though, is I took off the lid maybe too soon. I didn't let it dry and it did actually warp just a little bit, but it's no big deal. And this thing was made out of wood pallets, entirely free wood, and it's hardwood, which is expensive. So this came out really, really good. Check it out. I'm really happy how it turned out and everything. Nice looking, opens up really nice. Just lots of nice joinery. You know, it's not a dovetail joinery just yet, but this was kind of a practice for me and a learning experience. And I got to build a lot of nice woodworking jigs for it. And hey, this was fun. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hey, if you like that video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, of course. I already said that. But most importantly, guys, Jesus is Lord, and you guys have a great day. God bless.